my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
Alex is repairing a notebook. Our son broke it a few days ago, and now Alex is trying to repair it. Show us, what are you doing with the computer? So now we have 3 computers. 1,
Сломал петлю.
2 and 3. Show us 3 parts.
Подломил.
Now guys,
Рамку матрицы вот эту.
now guys, we have 3 computers.
То есть вот он
1,
все поломано.
2 and 3. 3 parts of 1 computer.
Будем надеяться, что матрица живая.
So what Alex is doing, he watched a few videos on YouTube, and now he is ordering the parts for this computer on AliExpress. There it is 2 or 3 times cheaper than in our local stores. So he will try to save money and he will try to repair it himself. So
Сейчас мы закажем это все на Алиэкспрессе, все нашли. Хочу сказать, что уже мы у него меняли клавиатуру в этом ноутбуке. Вот,
that is not the first damage. Some time ago we changed the keyboard. Now
вот здесь она не
this keyboard is new. So, and now we are trying to repair these parts.
Сейчас, подожди, вытащу.
They are connecting the lid of this computer, the monitor, yeah, and the main part.
Он заливал клавиатуру.
Alex was drinking something and a lot of water fell on the keyboard, and that water destroyed the keyboard.
Погнали.
Okay, we shall check your progress, Alex, in a few days.
Ну, починим. Я надеюсь, починим.
Покажи, как все класс.
Вот ноутбук. Вот как бы. В 3 частях. Будем пытаться починить.
We shall be watching you. Мы будем следить за тобой. We shall be watching your results. Будем следить за твоими результатами.
Хорошо.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
Шеффилд, как тебе новый микрофон? Хочешь понюхать? Шеффи, it's a new microphone. Do you like it? Yeah, like it. Шеффилд, чего ты испугался? Не признался?
Кабан! 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 Кабан!
I have baked a small cake. It is called Napoleon, Tort Napoleon. And also want to show you the form. Bought a special box. Very happy to have it. wanted to buy it on Amazon, but the delivery was very expensive, and very unexpectedly I found it in the local shop nearby. So I wanted to buy a bigger one. This one is square. I wanted longer box, but unfortunately they finished and I had to buy this one. Maybe they will bring some more boxes and I will buy a bigger box someday. So, but today it is like this, very convenient to carry. The first time I use this box, so will tell you about the results. I hope that it will be okay. I put my cake into the box and now I will carry it to my mom. So this cake is for her and for my dad. And also I baked another cake for us. Napoleon, very popular in Russia, Tort Napoleon.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree. From this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from